Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is the last day of July, July 31st. We've got corn up 1.50 for the overnight sessions, beans down a couple, wheat up 5. So kind of some mixed trade so far as the grains. A lot of eyes on the dollar this morning. The dollar sharply lower, down more than $1. So we're down $1.23 for that dollar. Will we see some kind of commodity influence from a lower dollar today? We had some economic news out this morning. That is certainly weighing heavy on the dollar. But some of these other markets not really paying attention. Stock market about unchanged. Crude oil down 30 cents right now. But as far as the grains, guys are going to be watching, well, will we get some end of the month rebalancing here today? Or maybe we've done that already with some of the sharp moves that we've seen out of the grains. But not only that, what are we looking at as far as next week? So the weather, the 15-day weather models stretching out over the next several weeks, looking a little bit drier, but remaining cool. So that is still going to be looked at, I guess, is kind of neutral. We need to get the rains in August for the beans. We get some of these timely rains. We probably could see these beans, still possibly gravitate lower. Not only that, we're trying to find demand in here. So we've seen this market break back, corn, beans, and wheat. Now we're trying to see what kind of sales we should be making. But China came in and canceled 200,000 tons of old crop beans this morning. This was announced at 8 o'clock this morning from the USDA. There was another 108,000 corn to Mexico, 126,000 wheat to unknown. So if you look at some of those sales, corn and wheat are higher overnight and beans are down. It almost feels like we're trying to play that in already. But once we get things opened up this morning, we'll see what kind of reaction we get out of the grains. So don't expect to see good to excellent ratings move too much next week. But the forecast looking out, it is drier with some cooler temperatures. Looking at livestock right now, we got cattle that are been back and forth of unchanged already this morning. Box beef, though, in a little bit higher. Choice up 72 cents, select up 25. No cash trade as of yet, and talk has been very quiet over the last few days, but the trade's still expecting potentially to see about $1 lower as far as cash this week. Hogs cutout values are up 26. We saw them, and what we've seen the last few sessions, you get a big rally early in the session, and then they tend to give it back by the end. Still seeing some choppy trade out of the hogs. That's probably going to remain here today just to finish out the week, but we are working a little bit lower here as of right now. As I mentioned, stock market unchanged. Crude oil down 30 cents. That dollar down at $1.23 right now. And keep an eye on that and see if we get any other influence here today. But have a great day. If you need anything, give us a call at 800-262-7538 or on the web at Allendale-inc.com. Have yourselves a great one, and we'll talk to you again a little later. Take care.